dancers! Welcome to our channel. Let's learn a happy banana dance. Are you ready, Audrey, to teach the dancers the banana dance?
Yeah!
Good job! All right, dancers. So this is how it's going to go. We're going to bring our arms up, and then we are going to go side and straight, side and straight, side and straight, side and straight. Good job. So we did it 4 times. Then we're going to go arm forward and up, arm forward and up. Then we're going to go side and up, side and up. And then we repeat again, side and up, side and up, side and up, side and up. And then we walk around holding our hands. Good job. Then we lower our arms, dance in place, and then we're going to hit a pose in the end. Pose, arms up. Good job. Good job. Okay. And are we ready, dancers, to do it to music?
Yeah!
Okay. And get ready. Feel the music. Arms up. Go.
Banana, 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 nana, nana, banana, 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 nana, nana. Mommy banana, daddy banana, grandma banana,
Side.
grandpa banana, 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 banana.
Good job. You guys are doing great.
Banana, banana, nana, nana.
Walk around. March in place. Lower the arms. And pose. Good job, guys. Good job, dancers. All right, we hope you try this fun dance together with us. And we will see you next time. Bye.